What a beautiful day for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting mini-games with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are! We're all happy to see you again. Which way do you want to go? Boulder Cliffs is a crazy race to the finish. Look how super duper your train set is. Watch out for that rolling boulder. It's coming in fast. Help your engine race down at super light speed before it catches up. Was off the rails! It's super easy to find your new toys. Just look for the beam of light. Where to now? Right, we're almost at the town square. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Well done! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Pick any toy you'd like. Let's go find that toy! Great! Just slice or tap it to open. Which way do you want to go? Forward lead. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Forward leads to Knapford Station's just ahead. What type of wagon should we pull?